Hello and very good evening to all my dear lovely students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, in this video I am going to explain you the story The Invention of Vita Wong, which is very interesting. You all are going to like it. There are only two characters in this story, Mr. Willy Wonka and Charlie. Now students, invention means avishkar. Okay, it means avishkar. So आविष्कार किसका हुआ है? विटा वोंग का. Now what is this विटा वोंग? इससे क्या होता है? What happens when one takes this medicine? Okay, because Mr. Willy Wonka, he was a scientist, right? So now I'll read and I will explain you the story. And this very interesting story, students, it is written by Roald Dahl, right? So let us begin. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong, so some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. So students, we see that Mr. Willy Wonka was a scientist, right? And he first invented a tonic. Tonic name was Wonka White. Okay, so with this tonic, what was happening to the people? It made people younger. मतलब जितनी भी आपकी उम्र है उससे कहीं आप पीछे चले जाओगे, यंग हो जाओगे. But what was the disadvantage of this medicine? The disadvantage was it was such a powerful medicine that many people disappeared, गायब ही हो गए after their age went in minus. Okay, and one person even became minus 87. Okay, so you can imagine that poor fellow had to wait 87 years to come back now. And Willy Wonka decided now to invent a new thing to undo this harm. Okay, because if people will have to wait now 87 years to come back, then you can imagine that people won't go for this such kind of medicine. Okay, he had to make people old. Now before he was making people younger, okay, and now he thought of making people old, right? So in part 1, Mr. Wonka said, "So once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work." Students, the meaning of set to work is began to work. Once again I squeezed my brain, searching for the new recipe. I had to create age, to make people old. Old, older, oldest. Ha ha, I cried. For now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So students, he wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was, or what lived longer than anything else, right? And now he started working on that. And what he is going to do now? He is set to work. He has began to work, and he wants to create something, one medicine, one tonic, through which people could become old, older, oldest. Okay, before he was making people younger, and now he has decided making people, turning people older. Okay, oldest. So there are some things, some questions coming to his mind. What is the oldest living thing in the world, and what lives longer than anything else? Okay, next we read that who is with him. I told you two characters were there, and the second one is Charlie. Okay, so a tree. When he is asking these questions, no, so Charlie replied, a tree. Tree is the oldest living thing in the world, right? So Charlie replied, a tree. Right you are, Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, nor the oak. Students see Douglas fir, oak, cedar, all these, the pictures are given in your book only, and it is the description of trees are also written along with the pictures. So you can very well see the pictures over here in your book only. Okay, NCERT book, chapter 7, you can see it in your book. And Charlie, Mr. Willy Wonka, he has mentioned these trees while talking to Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir. So means Mr. Willy Wonka wants to say कि सब कोई ऐसा नहीं कि सारी ट्री जो है वो बहुत ही पुरानी है. Not all the trees are the oldest. Okay, जैसे not the Douglas fir. Douglas fir is not the oldest. Not the oak. Not the cedar. No, my boy. It is a tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. This is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist you like and look the word up in the dictionary when you get home, will you please? Okay, so that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So students, now what happened that he wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was, or what lived longer than anything else, right? So his assistant Charlie, he named tree. But the question emerged, which tree? It was certainly not the fir, oak or cedar. It was a tree called bristlecone that grew in Nevada, USA, right? So such trees were 4,000 years old. And Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. Okay, to collect the things, and he collected special items from the oldest living things. Okay, now let us see what all he collected. So he collected a pint of sap from a 4,000 years old bristlecone pine. He took a pint of sap, okay, from the bristlecone pine. What next he collected? Then students, he collected the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorovich. Okay, so second he collected the toenail clipping from a 168-year-old Russian farmer. Okay, third what he collected? An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. So third he collected an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat. Okay, and so on. Let us read what all are the things. The tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. So he has also collected the tale of a 51-year-old horse. Next he collected the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. He also collected an old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. He also collected the tale of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave of Mount Popocatépetl, and the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalu from Peru. So students, he collected all these things. Okay, why? To make another tonic through which people can become oldest. Yes. Now we will move on to part 2. Let us see what happens in part 2. He has already collected. Now let's see what happens next. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scrap from between its toes while it was sleeping. So students, in part 2 now what happened that Mr. Wonka tracked down very old animals. Okay, as we have seen now, he has now he just rushed to collect all over the world to collect special items from the oldest living things. We have read this in part 1. So he tracked down very old animals and took a bit of something from each of them. Okay, किसी का नाखून ले लिया, किसी की टेल ले ली. 51 ईयर ओल्ड हॉर्स था तो उसकी टेल ले ली इन्होंने, है ना. और इन्होंने क्या ले लिया था, इन्होंने विस्कस. 36 ईयर्स ओल्ड कैट थी, है ना, उसको 36 ईयर्स ओल्ड कभी आपने सुना है. तो दैट इज़ वाई आई सेड इन द बिगनिंग इट इज़ एन इमेजिनरी स्टोरी. तो उसकी क्या ले ली, विस्कस ले ली. विस्कस मतलब क्या होता है, मूछें. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके इन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कलेक्ट करी थी. और इन द एंड ही बॉइल्ड, है ना, एंड टेस्टेड द प्रोडक्ट इन हिज इन्वेंटिंग रूम. स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है कि किसी की हेयर आईब्रो ले लिया, किसी का हेयर ले लिया, किसी का इन्होंने कुछ ले लिया, है ना. तो ये सब इन्होंने बहुत पुराने एनिमल्स का ये सब कुछ ना कुछ लिया अपनी न्यू मेडिसिन बनाने के लिए. राइट. नेक्स्ट वी सी दैट I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the slrock, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squeakle, who can spit poison right into your eyes from 50 yards away. और इन्होंने वेनोमस स्क्वीकल भी लिया, जिससे जो है पॉइज़न, यू नो दैट वेनोमस स्क्वीकल कैन स्पिट पॉइज़न फ्रॉम 50 यार्ड्स अवे. तो बच्चों, आप समझ सकते हो कि कितनी डेंजरस चीज़ें इन्होंने कलेक्ट करी मिस्टर विली वोंका ने. ओके, बट देयर इज़ नो टाइम टू टेल यू अबाउट देम ऑल नाउ, चार्ली. And he is also saying कि Charlie, अभी I am not having enough time to tell you about everything. Okay, what I have collected, I have just tell you in a nutshell. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. मतलब उन्होंने अपनी ये सब चीज़ें इकट्ठी करके दवाई तो बना ली. ठीक है, इन्होंने सब उसको मिक्सिंग किया, बॉइलिंग किया, एवरीथिंग ही हैज़ डन. ओके, बॉईल करके उसको जो है सब कुछ तैयार करा. ही प्रोड्यूस्ड, क्या बनाया उन्होंने, 1 स्मॉल कप फुल ऑफ ब्लैक लिक्विड, और उसकी 4 बूंदें. ही गेव 4 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ इट टू अ ब्रेव यंग वॉलंटियर, मतलब अपने आप से जिन्होंने कहा कि ही वांट टू ट्राई, और उनका नाम क्या था, ऊम्पा लूम्पा, और उनको दिया 4 ड्रॉप्स टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस. ओके, व्हाट वाज द रिज़ल्ट, चार्ली आस्क्ड. चार्ली ने पूछा कि क्या रिज़ल्ट रहा. And see the answer of Mr. Willy Wonka. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wong invented. So students, very interesting last part of the story. Mr. Wonka, when Charlie asked, then what happened? When you have given this 4 drops of your medicine to black liquid to Oompa Loompa, one volunteer. So Mr. Wonka said that the effect of the medicine was swift and very fantastic. Okay, the moment that young man gulped down those drops, na, he began growing old and wrinkled. मतलब उसको अच्छा खासा इंसान जो यंग था वो ओल्ड होने लगा, उसके रिंकल्स भी पड़ गए, ओल्ड भी हो गया, हिज हेयर ड्रॉप्ड ऑफ एंड हिज टीथ ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग आउट. ओके, इन एन इंस्टेंट द 20-year-old बॉय जो था बिकेम एन ओल्ड मैन ऑफ 75. Just imagine, 20-year-old boy became a man of 75. In this way, Vitavonk was invented. So this is the story of Vitavonk. Vitavonk was invented, and Mr. Willy Wonka was very happy to invent this medicine. I hope students you all have enjoyed this story. Thank you very much for listening and have a great day ahead.